Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inez Septianie. I am from class 2A. Okay, good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you're happy and healthy today. Okay, here I will explain about the vocabulary. Does anyone know what vocabulary is? Yeah, vocabulary is all the words used in a language in general or a particular field in particular. The word vocabulary itself comes from the Latin word vocabulum, which means to name and to call. Okay. Vocabulary is also known as word stock, lexicon, and lexis. However, vocabulary is different from grammar, even though they are equally important in English. Okay, next slide. Vocabulary types. You know what kind of vocab there are, how many? Yes, in general, vocabulary is divided into two categories, namely active vocabulary and passive vocabulary. Okay. Active vocabulary is a collection of words that are understood and used when speaking and writing in everyday life. Passive vocabulary are words that we may recognize but are not commonly used in normal communication. Next slide. Vocabulary materials and topics. In learning vocabulary, usually you will also learn some related materials or topic. There is 7 vocabulary materials and topics. 1. Connotation. 2. Synonyms and antonyms. 3. Roots of words. 4. Prefix and suffix. 5. Phrasal verbs. 6. Collocations. 7. Idioms. Okay. First, connotation, namely the additional meaning of a word. For example, the word blue is often used to describe the meaning of sadness, or yellow is often used to describe the meaning of happiness. Yeah. Next, synonyms and antonyms, namely words with the same and opposite meanings. For example, clever, smart, and intelligent are synonymous with each other and mean smart. And the words true, true, and false, false are antonyms to one another. Okay? Next, roots of words, namely the basic words before adding prefixes and suffixes. For example, the word act is the basic word for acting and actor. Okay, next, prefix and suffix, namely prefix and suffix. For example, un in the word unhappy, prefix, and man in the word endorsement, suffix. Okay, next, phrasal verbs, namely verbs consisting of 2 words. For example, the word wake up, which means wake up. Okay, next, collocation, namely words that are almost always used together. For example, the words pay and attention in paying attention. Yeah. Okay. Next, idioms, namely a collection of words that create a certain meaning that is different from the literal meaning of each. For example, it's a piece of cake which has the meaning it's an easy thing. Okay, next slide. Tips and ways to learn vocabulary. 1. Lots of English reading. 2. Take advantage of social media. 3. Like to watch. Change subtitles to English. 4. Use vocabulary games. 5. Create a blog or journal in English. 6. Don't forget to practice speaking. Okay, here the media application is learning apps. We will doing exercise vocabulary games. This vocabulary games is about helping people matching pairs. Okay, next, check it out. Here, vocabulary games is ready. And first, you open web's learning apps. Text matching pairs with words and pictures about helping people vocabulary. Okay? First was the car, maybe. Yaps. Yaps. Perfectly. And then sweep the floor. Okay. Clean the windows. Okay. Perfect. Water the plants. Yaps. Right. Next. Make your bed. Good job. And then next, feed the pets. Okay. Yaps. Right. And then take out the rubbish. Yep. Put your clothes away. Yaps. Do the washing up. Good. And next, let's maybe tidy up. Okay. Good job. Okay. Thank you.